help, help, help. Please help. Everything in here, you can notice stacked up as part of sights and sounds in some kind of way. We need to get all of this from here to there.
Sights and Sounds Black Cultural Mobile Expo and Museum's massive collection is a treasure to behold. Founded to educate, expose, inspire, and preserve Black culture for knowing your past helps guide a successful future. Showcasing the museums in local and national communities helps to bring out the positive through education and inspiration, and to preserve a great legacy through acquisition and conservation of African American history and cultural memorabilia. Sights and Sounds Black Cultural Expo and Museum needs the Toyota Sequoia for safe transporting of our priceless artifacts, the dependability to ensure we get there, and efficient capacity for limited trips that will help Sights and Sounds Black Cultural Expo and Museum leave no artifact behind, because Black history is not just a month.